Yo, what's happening here? Shellz 2017 egg here. Hopefully you watched my stream. If you didn't, that's okay. Today I've got something different. Okay. I'm gonna make some noodles. Let's start this. And I'm gonna show you how to make my own custom noodles. So first, if you don't know how to make noodles, I'm not gonna show you, but you take a pot of water, you add you add your ramen noodles to it, and then you're gonna just basically boil your water until I wish I knew I could flip during this, because that would have made it like this. Me and Puff here. Yeah, you can make your noodles just like that. Just okay. Water's hot. Add your noodles in. Okay. Make sure to put some regular salt in the water, some garlic salt, and a little bit of pepper, like 2. I'll set you up. All right. So next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your salt. Oh yeah, make sure before you put the noodles in, double coat both sides like it's a piece of steak. Put the noodles in water, dip it out, put it in that package. Double coat it with garlic salt, just like it's a piece of steak. So you see what we got here? Listen, buddy. You were disturbing the whole broadcast. Come on, man. Can you go over there? Something? Go watch the news with the people. First, what you're gonna do is take some of this garlic salt. No, this is after. First, you're gonna take your things, whatever you use. You're gonna lightly salt it. Come on. God damn, that's strong. Gotta take a little bit of it. Oh, that landed on my foot. You know. Yeah, you gotta just mix it in. Take a little bit more. Mix it in, okay? Take a little bit more. Mix it in, okay? Okay, do that. Oh! That's strong. Take a little bit of it. Mix it in. Oh, yeah. No, I'm just joking. Alright. Now, if you did everything right, like, your noodles should be looking like this. Like a little yellow tint to it. And so, next step you're going to want to do is just take a little bit of garlic salt. Just coat it. Take a little bit of salt. Coat it. And then you're going to want to put, like, a little bit of pepper in there. Okay. Then, then, just want to mix that around. I want to say something. In the water, just put the noodles, and then after you should have like these little tiny bites that you can eat while you wait for the noodles to cook. Okay. Yep. Okay. So, alright. Damn, that's strong. And so, yeah, well, I just pour the rest of this in the noodles and it. Put one of these in. Congratulations, you have my noodles. Custom made. That actually matched it perfect. I'm gonna grab myself. Let's try. Listen, he wants to bite. You see him? You see the fans? Let's try it, shall we? Okay. I did this with different noodles, not just Top Ramen. It was some other brands. Bon appetit. Damn, you can feel the flavor in that. Let's give one to our fellow wolf. Listen. You ready? Damn, look at that. He'll even put your wolf. It's the best stuff ever. Damn, thank you for watching. You gotta cook these noodles. These are so good. You can get the full flavor out of the packet. And then you just hit it up. I usually have eggnog, just ran out. This kind of sucks, man. I kind of want eggnog right now. Want another? Well, too bad you can't have another. Damn, big enough, buddy. Go watch me on Twitch, Shellz 2023 at. I post like BeamNG and I think some GTA, so. Oh! You gotta try these noodles. They're banger, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what I could do better. Or, I'll just tell yo in the comments. And I'm gonna just keep eating this. You can see you kind of want a yellowish tint to it. You want this dude to ask in it. Alright. Peace out. Enjoy this recipe. Like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, more videos. And maybe I'll give you some more cooking videos. This is the only thing I know how to cook. So maybe y'all can give me your ideas. Peace out. Yeah.